everyone.
Good afternoon, Sir Yun.
Afternoon, you may have to. How are you? Doing well? Yes. Yes. Okay. Secretary Ines, is there any other today? No? Okay, very good. Okay. Before we move on to our next lesson, lesson number 5, let us first have a quick review of what we discussed in our last previous meeting. Okay? Ano ito gani? Sino gani ang my theory, yung psychosocial development theory? Sino? Just raise your hand. Sino ang curious? 1 point. Okay. Sino theory sa psychosocial development? Not Joseph. Yes. Okay. Yes. Eric H. Erickson. Okay. Ano ba yung theory ni Eric Erickson? Again, psychosocial development theory. Kapag si Eric Erickson, kami nakita 8 stages, no? Nga na, sunod din 8 stages, kaya na conflict na ginaagyan na tao. Okay. At ang base lang ang conflict. First conflict, ano yun? Trust versus mistrust. Second, autonomy versus shame and doubt. Number 3, third stage. Initiative versus skills. Next. Number 4. Industry versus superiority. Number 5. Ano na? Yes. Yes, identity versus role confusion or identity confusion. Number 6. Intimacy versus isolation. Number 7. Number 7. Generativity versus stagnation. And the last one? Yes. Integrity versus despair. Okay. Apa mga ko? Why we need to understand these stages? Or developmental stages? Anyone? Why we need to understand these developmental stages ng experience ng human person? Importante siya. Ano yun? Or else to understand what? Yes. Yes, to understand your growth, no? How you mature, how you adapt, your personal development, etc. Okay. For today, let us discuss lesson number 5, coping with stress, no? In middle and late adolescence. But before that, let us have first a quick activity. Let us group ourselves, no, into 2 groups. This is group A and this is group B. Okay, what you need to do? Per group, 1 student will answer 1 question. You have to answer it immediately, no? No repeat, no comment. Answer na tayo. Ano ka mo? Kapabila ka mo itong kasto? Yes. Wala kang no? Each group will have only 1 minute to answer as many questions as you can. Okay? Speed matters more than correctness. Okay, wala din ganit sa answer mo, no? Don't overthink. Just choose and answer quickly. If you hesitate for 3 seconds, ano matabo? That question is skipped to the next student. Okay? Ready na ka mo? Pick ka muna kung sino mauna. Pick ka muna yung dalawa. Pick. Sino mauna? Group A, Group B.
Baby.
Sino daw? Ikaw decide. Sino mauna? Okay, sila. Okay. Skin dog ang Group A. After your answer, pupunta yan. Are you ready? Matapos ang answer in 1 minute. Okay. Mga timer kita. Go. Kanan kong answer. Sa isa mo. Timer. Start. Now, favorite color. Favorite food. Favorite subject. List favorite subject. Come on. Favorite drink. Morning or night. Cat or dog. Dog or cat. Online class or face to face. Face to face. Sweet or salty. Sweet or spicy. Coffee or tea. Name your crush. One. Skip. Favorite day of the week. Monday. Favorite place to relax. 3. Two.
Beach.
1. 5. Loud music or quiet room. Group work or solo work. Rainy day or sunny day. Favorite school activity. Group project. Favorite hobby. Guitar. Favorite snack? Time na. Time na. I think so. Wala na pala ba? Let's see, final score. 4, 8, 12, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. 23 points sa group A. Okay. Kaya nito group B. Yes, and dog and group B. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Book or movie? Early wake up or late sleep? Favorite season? City or province? Music or silence? Study at home or school? Favorite app? Favorite game? Morning class or afternoon class? Writing or speaking? Listening or reading? Favorite number? 3. Favorite letter? Favorite teacher? Favorite break activity? Favorite weekend activity? Favorite fruit? Favorite holiday? Favorite school place? Favorite fast food? Favorite Jerry? Favorite song type? Genre? Ang lalakay, Wendell. Okay lang score. Okay, forma na lang siya, no? That rush or pressure in your experience is called, yes, correct, it's called stress, no? Stress happens when demand or place on us, no? And we feel that we must to respond quickly. So for today, let us discuss stress, the types of stress, sources of stress, how it affects our body and mind, and also how we can cope with stress. Okay? Everyone, please read our objective for today. Number one.
Discuss the meaning, types, causes, and symptoms of stress experienced during middle and late adolescence.
Number two.
Demonstrate healthy coping skills by identifying sources of stress, illustrating its effects, and creating simple strategies to manage stress during adolescence.
Number three.
Show awareness and appreciation of healthy stress management for a balance environment.
Okay, so that's all our goals that we want to attain for today, So earlier, you experienced answering different questions under pressure, right? Yes. So some of you felt rushed, pressured, and had difficulty thinking clearly, di ba? Even though the question is very easy lang man. Galing kay time pressure, siya din, no? Mga nabudayan kita. That experience give us a glimpse of what we call stress. Okay? So now, let's ask an important question. What is stress? Okay. Stress is natural human reaction that happens to everyone. No? In fact, your body is designed to experience stress and to respond to it. No? And of course, when we experience changes, demands, and challenges, tandaan sila sa one stressors. Ang gahatag sa atin sa stress. No? When stressors appear, our body and mind respond automatically. No? Automatic na siya respond. Pwede siya ma-respond through physical, mental, or emotional reaction. That is why stress can affect how we think, how we behave, and how we feel. No? Okay. Not all stress is bad, correct? Yes. In fact, stress can be classified into two types, no? Okay. Here is our types of stress. First, beneficial stress and destructive stress. Beneficial stress is also known as eustress. Eustress or good stress. Destructive stress is also known as yes, correct, distress, no? Or the bad stress, no? Yung beneficial saya sometimes. Yes, it can be your motivation, no, to perform better, no? Keeping us alert, motivated, and ready to avoid any danger. For example, may important test ka for tomorrow. So, ano response sa body mo? Mapil mo dyan stress, no? So, ano ang matabo na yun? Kung gamitin mo siya as your motivation, no? It keeps your body stay alert, no? And yung bali na si mo nga, we work hard ka ba di ba? Pero, madistress siya kung ano? Kung ang stress, ano na? Na-build up, no? Na-prolong, kasugay na siya. And it can harm your health and well-being. Okay? Ganun lang. Wala siyang bad saya kay can harm you, no? Can harm you physically, emotionally, and mentally. May question? None. Okay. Statistically speaking, no? Frequency of stress in one's daily life. Okay. Kahambal ang survey that stress is a common part of our daily life ng mga Filipinos, no? About 1/3 kids or 34% kaka-experience stress frequently. Okay? 32% naman, another 32% naman experience stress sometimes. Ano ba ito sa lingkod? It indicates what? Yeah? Yes, the majority of people, no, or of Filipinos experience stress, no? Kalabanan, di ba? Yung tayo lang ba na rarely na ilan experience ang stress, 30%. And I connect like 4% lang never di sila na-experience ang stress. Never di ko nila na-experience ang sana all, di ba? Okay. Pero kung i-compare sa statistics, no, mas tabo pinasapon ang experience ang stress, no? So to understand stressors, ang stress yung ginawa, let us have a group activity. Okay? Let's group ourselves into 3 groups. Ano man, basta count off. Okay. Count off 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 is the last number. Okay, anong obrahon? For group 1, you have to identify stress sources. Okay, ilista ko nyo na, name nyo. Ano mga common sources ng stress sa adolescent? Okay? Pwede nyo nyo ma-obra ang diagram. Next, or ang mind map. Okay. Next, group 2. Obra ko nyo naman yan, stress effect. You have to illustrate how stress affects our body and mind. No? And group 3, kama naman niya, coping strategies naman ninyo nga i-create, no? Brainstorm healthy ways to cope with stressors. Create a stress survival kit. Okay, ako yun na no? Okay, aling rubrika. Content understanding 8 points. Activity and participation 7 points. Teamwork and participation 5 points. Organization and clarity 5 points. And a total of 25 points. Ready? Okay. Dari ang group 1, dito ang group 2 sa likod, group 3 nyo. Pagka sa group. May representative, Ready na? Okay, people na. Your timer starts now. 5 minutes only. 5. May ba na member? Please, sa kanan ng member. Minsan na sa gather po. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
One minute left.
In the record, ano yan, your recorder, presenter.
Everybody.
Last 30 seconds.
Lumawa. Lumawa. Give me the ball.
44 seconds.
18 seconds to shoot the ball. Five seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1.
Ipon kayo yung mga
First is food that time. Next is academic pressure. Third is family problems.